What's up, everybody? Today I'm playing Animal Speeder with my brother. Oh my days, not so, not that's not sound, not working. Okay, I'm doing with that sound, okay?
Come, where are you? Okay. Are you doing recording without voice?
Yeah, it's just not sound, no word.
Why is it recording?
Back on that, what? Finish the red dot.
So what's up everyone? We're playing Animals.
Until you put Mama, why not shouting at okay, why you stop shouting at
Why you on the bed? Why you on the bed?
it's already clear.
You clear in here.
No, stop it, Mama, why you stop shouting? Mama,
Yeah.
why you stop shouting at 12 o'clock? Because someone is sleeping at next door.
Oh, night time, yeah.
Yeah.
Wasting energy.
But you stay here, make sure you wait, okay? You do the job, okay?
Kita job.
I'm just playing.
Mother.
Oh,
You are sticky.
you know what to do.
I don't know.
You first talk to him and then write. No, wait, you have to wait. You have to wait first. Yeah, okay, press stamp and then take picture. Then go to the computer. Computer and show her highlight. You know what to do. He's gonna go room. Which room is he going? Which room he's going to?
Room 2.
Okay,
Can I follow or leave it?
you don't leave me. I will do the whole thing.
Can I follow? Yes, no, okay.
No. But when you see the scary person, will like doing like this, that means you have to close it. You have
Close the door, okay.
Yeah, close the gate. Just close it.
How to close the window?
It's gonna be altogether closed. But shift 1 is everything safe. But shift 2 is gonna be scary people coming. But you have to look at the security camera. If it's normal,
It's a PD camera.
then it will be normal. But if you check in the security camera, it's like this. Then it's gonna.
Security.
Then you have to press close. Okay, well the doctor's arriving.
Can I open?
No, it's fine now. We got 5 animal clothing. Yes, security camera we have now. Okay, next person is here. Okay, let's check if he's
Why you target it like that? Why you target it like that?
his class. Let me check the security camera. Is it fine?
What about my temperature?
Wait, check is it doing? Is it normal? Yes or no?
It's normal.
I think it's normal. Let me check first. Wait. Okay, it's normal. It's normal. Room 1. Okay, room 1. Okay, you get coffee. Get coffee. Do you know what's coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee is here. It's just for brain because like when you have low if it gets 0, 0 means it's gonna die. That's why you can't die.
What coffee for?
Drinking. Because look, can you see that brain here? If you get look. Look, if this one is 0, then you're gonna die. Then you need coffee. But you don't do it now. Is it normal or fine?
It's normal.
Okay, so we first check the picture. Is the picture good? Normal. Wait, let me check the security camera first. Let me check. It's normal. Let me check the security camera.
Security camera.
Okay, it's normal. faint. We can stay. You continue your job. You show me. There's need. I dropped an ointment. Okay, done now. But you don't need to do it. Let me see the next one. Is the next one fine? Let me see this one. No, wait, let me check first. Is the picture normal? Picture's normal. I need to check security camera. Is here okay? Wait. It's something weird. Wait, let me check first. Okay, just continue. Room 5. But you don't want to do room 5. Okay, do room 5.
Okay.
Go room 5. Follow him. Make sure do everything right. And let me come with you. I will help you. Wait, don't look up. Don't look up. You're not allowed to look up. Don't look up.
So what happens if I look up?
Then you're gonna lose brain. Calm, just calm. But don't look up. Make sure don't look up. Make sure don't look up. If you look up, then there's the eyeball. It's gonna hurt you. If you don't look at it. If you look at it, you're gonna lose. Did you look at it? Yes.
No.
You need to get thermal and herbs. Come, let me show you which one. Thermal.
Is my touching the top? Yeah, no.
Don't look up. No, go. Look, get thermal. It says thermal and herbs. But you drink your coffee. Did you drink it?
I have 72%.
Okay, I need coffee then. Because you have 76%. Where is my coffee? There it is. We've got 7 ammo. What the fuck? But yeah.
Okay.
Do you think he's gonna go? Tell me. Should he go? Yes or no? Which one? Look. Should he go? Yes or no?
No.
Then close the gate. Salam alaikum. When you see the scary person, it makes.
Let's take the camera.
Maybe the camera bro.
Andre.
Just move. Next one. Let me see his name. I think he is normal. Yeah, he is normal. Let me see.
I want to
Okay,
see.
he's good. Okay, you do. Let me tell you which room he's gonna go.
1.
Okay, go room 1 then. Make sure do everything right, okay? Next one. Well, let me see his normal. Did you do everything right?
Hey.
What happened? It's fine. Did you do everything right?
Yeah. Oh, I'm good.
Do everything right. I tried. Okay, get IV drops, medicine, and cough syrup. Let me show you. Medicine is here. There's no, not herbs, Medicine. Is Garaba and next. Let me check. IV drops. IV drops is here. IV, not eye drop. Come. IV, not eye drops. Don't get eye drops. There. It's here.
Medicine.
You already got medicine. No, no. You already got medicine.
How did that back?
Just throw it in the bin.
No,
No!
I'm
He
sorry.
died.
I'm sorry, bro. What did you do that for? I'm joking. I'm sorry. Alright.
We're gonna die now.
Oh.
Us. Maybe we might die. He's normal. He's normal, I think. He is normal. He's normal. Let me check this camera first. Okay, he's normal. Room 4. Go to room 4. Let me check room 4 first. Okay, room 4. Go. Make sure I do everything right.
Hurry up.
Did you do everything right?
I'm doing.
Do everything right. If you kill another one, then we're not gonna get killed. Hello, sugar. Get maple syrup. I'll do it.
Where's your low soda?
Maple syrup. Okay. Medicine. Just do it. You don't need to do it right here. It's fine. Don't need to do it.
Okay.
It's a good plan.
It's my door.
Yalla, run away, run
It's
away.
run away.
Close the door, close the door. Maybe we did wrong one by accident.
I want to check the freezer somewhere.
Let me check what is it doing.
Someone did
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hold on.
Yummy. Should be. Oh no! I don't want him to die. Yeah, let's see next one. Hopefully next one is fine. I think he's good. Is he good?